Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to check if your WordPress site is ready to use WebP images. First, let me tell you why this matters. WebP images are 25 to 35% smaller than JPEG or PNG files with the same quality. That means faster page loads and better SEO scores. Now, here's what you need to know. WordPress has supported WebP since version 5.8, but that doesn't guarantee it'll work on your site. Your server needs the right PHP version and image processing library. Let me show you how to check. Go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Tools, then Site Health. On the Site Health screen, click the Info tab at the top. Now scroll down and expand the Media Handling section, which you can see on your screen. Look for the line that says ImageMagick or GD Library. If you see WebP listed under supported file formats, you're good to go. If WebP is missing from that list, your server can't process WebP images. Key points include: you need PHP 7.0 or higher, either ImageMagick with libWebP support or GD Library with WebP enabled, and WordPress 5.8 or newer. If WebP isn't supported, contact your hosting provider and ask them to enable libWebP for ImageMagick or update your GD library. Most hosts can fix this in minutes. Alternative method: install the Performance Lab plugin from WordPress.org. It adds a WebP support check to Site Health and shows you exactly what's missing. Once WebP is enabled, you can upload WebP images directly or use plugins like EWWW Image Optimizer to convert existing images automatically. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.